Hey guys, welcome to PhoneLab Studio. Apple has a feature for their device called Touch ID, which scans a user's fingerprint to allow logins, purchases, and more. It's useful because it allows device owners to verify their identities without entering PINs or passwords repeatedly. However, there are circumstances where the Touch ID sensor is not working for various reasons, like operating system malfunction. Touch ID fails to work due to replacing relevant parts, such as the home button, screen change, and battery replacement. Or when you have a damp finger, which results in an unrecognized fingerprint, and even after updating to iOS. So to resolve your problem, we will share with you the 4 helpful solutions on how to fix the Touch ID of your iPhone. Let's begin with rebooting your iPhone. When your iPhone device is unresponsive, rebooting your iPhone will help you fix this kind of problem. And it will not cause data loss on your iPhone device. These steps are to reboot your iPhone device to fix the Touch ID not working on your iPhone. For iPhone 6 and 6s, keep pressing the buttons for home and sides. If the slide bar appears on your screen, leave it. Keep pressing until the screen of your iPhone turns white, and wait until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, keep pressing the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. As you do so, keep pressing for a second until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 8 and above, tap and let go of the volume up. The volume down button should be quickly pressed and released after that. Then press and release the side button until the Apple logo appears on your iPhone device screen. For the second solution, try to reset Touch ID. You may delete your previous registered fingerprints and register again. It can fix the Touch ID issue on your iPhone device. First, go to the setting of your device and scroll down to find Touch ID and passcode. Then enter passcode will appear on your screen, enter it to proceed. After that, you can see the list of fingerprints that you save on your device. Delete all of them by clicking Delete Fingerprint. After deleting all the fingerprints on your device, register again with your new fingerprint on your iPhone. Click Add a fingerprint, and on your screen, instructions will appear. Just follow the steps on registering your new fingerprint on your iPhone, and that's all, you are done. If the solutions above still don't work, you need to check your device to see if there is a new updated version of your iOS to fix the bugs and issues of your device. Eventually, when a new update is released on your OS, it releases more features to your device and will help you fix the issues on your Touch ID not working on your iPhone. To start, click the setting icon on your iPhone device. Next, tap General Software Update. Then check if your iPhone needs to update and click Download and Install, which will automatically update your iOS. Lastly, out of all the presented solutions, here is the quickest and easy. One of the main reasons why it isn't Touch ID working is that sometimes we touch the surface of the home button or screen of our iPhone device with our dirty fingers or sweaty thumb, which can affect our Touch ID sensor won't work. Make sure your home button is clean and clean it with a dry cloth. With these 4 quick and easy solutions, you can fix your iPhone's Touch ID without hassle. We hope this helps you. For more helpful videos, visit our channel PhoneLab Studio. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.